you in problem that how to display the content created in a WordPress using localhost into the internet so that it can be ranked? For this, here I am Monica from WP Hope going to sort out your problem. Our previous video was for how to install WordPress in localhost. If you want to know about it, then click on the link given in the description box and in eye icon. Now let us start our today's tutorial. Let's begin. Initially, open the XAMPP and there start Apache module and MySQL module. When they are started, then open any of your web browser and there type localhost / your database name. My database name is WP Hope, as I have shown this about in my previous video, and then /wp-admin so that you can log into your dashboard. Now you are welcome to your dashboard. So here you can see these all are the posts written in a localhost using the WordPress. Now I want to post all the posts into the website so that it can be viewed on the internet. So let's go for this process. Then for initially you have to install a plugin so that your website can be ranked in the internet. So now here let's go for adding a plugin. Then type here all-in-one WP migration. Then wait for a while. Then you can see this all-in-one WP migration. Let us install this plugin. Now it is installing. Wait for a while. Here you can see this is successfully installed. So now let us activate this. Again wait for a while. Now you can see this is activated and you can see all-in-one WP migration on your left side. So now let us go for exporting our files so that we can import them in our internet website. So now you can, when you click on export to, then you can see several options over here. You can export any of the files that you want, and now let us click on we want to export our files, so click on it. Now it is preparing to export. Wait for a while, it will take you few minutes. Now we can see download localhost size 9 MB. These are our files in our database. So let us go for downloading it. Here you can see it is downloaded. And our files are completely downloaded. Now let us open a new tab. So here type the domain name of your website where you want to post your localhost posts and blogs to preview them into the internet. Now here let us log into our website dashboard. So type the domain of your website which is not made using localhost, that is made by using WordPress or any other coding that is accepted lively into the internet. Type your domain name so that you can reach to your website dashboard. So my domain name is this, so I'm logging in. Here also you have to download the same plugin which we have downloaded in our localhost. So here click on add new. Then go to here in search plugin and type all-in-one WP migration. And you will get logged into it. So you can see I have already installed and activated this plugin. So it is on our left side. And so now we have to import the files which we have downloaded. So click on import and wait for opening. And here click on import form. And we have downloaded our files, so let us import our files to here. So select the files which you have downloaded. So here we have downloaded these files, localhost WP Hope. So select it and click on open. Then wait for our files to be imported. So it will be imported soon, which will be based on your internet connection. So it is successfully imported and it is unpacking our files. So now here it is the message. The import process will overwrite your website including the database medias, plugin and themes. Please ensure that you have a backup of your data before processing next step. So let's proceed for it. And so here it is a warning that please do not close the window. Your site has successfully imported. So now click on finish. Now let's check whether our data has been overwritten or not. So let's click on post all posts. So you can see these all the data which we have created on our localhost has been overwritten to our this website too. Now let us go for checking that. So right here the domain name, and then here you can see our posts are live on our internet and they are successfully imported to our website. Now I hope you have known how to live your post created in a localhost into Google, or you can say internet. In next video we will solve other problem like this. Till that, stay safe and bye.